In this tutorial, we will explore the application of generative fill to transform an empty space into a furnished room. Using the polygonal lasso tool, create a selection on one of the walls. On the contextual taskbar, write Modern Cabinet and hit Generate button. Select the cabinet of your preference and then, with the same tool, create a selection in the center of the room. Click on the Generative Fill button. In the contextual bar, enter Modern Table with Chairs. From the options provided, select the one that appeals to you. Create a selection on the empty wall to the left. At this point, you can input large abstract painting, or alternatively, you can opt for modern TV. Next, I will demonstrate how to incorporate a plant using the same techniques. I'll also attempt to introduce a sofa. As you'll observe, some sofa options might not be up to par. In such instances, you can click the Generate button again in the Properties panel. Feel free to repeat this step as many times as necessary until you find the perfect sofa. Lastly, I will generate a modern lamp, selecting my favorite from the choices provided. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video. I've provided a before and after comparison so you can appreciate the transformation. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this one.